Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be doing something easy but very, very delicious. We're going to be making some guacamole. Now I've been asked on Instagram and Facebook for me to share my guacamole recipe. I put guacamole in pretty much almost anything. It's really, really good and it goes well with most things. I mean, if you like Mexican food, you got to make a fresh guacamole. And the key to a good guacamole is fresh avocados, which I'm gonna get into later. So no further ado, let's get down to the recipe so I can show you how to make it. For the most important ingredient of this recipe, we need some fresh avocados. Now these are medium-sized avocados, so we're gonna be using 4. They do actually make smaller avocados, so you might wanna double the amount. And then the larger, just depending on how big they are, it just depends on how many you get. But for the medium size, we're gonna be doing 4 avocados. You want to make sure that you get a ripe avocado. I'd like to buy them when they're a little pushed to them, but it's still kind of firm. If it's, you push into it and it goes in all the way, that's not a good avocado. And if it's hard as a rock, you're not going to be able to use that one. So make sure that you buy fresh, ripe avocados. Now you want to go ahead and just cut your avocado. Be really careful. I don't want you to cut yourself. So you're going to take your knife, put it to the seed, and you're just basically gonna just roll it around all the way till you come across the other side. Now you just wanna take your avocado and twist. As you can see, we got a fresh avocado. This looks really good. Now we're just gonna take our spoon, just scoop it on out. Now for the seed, all you gotta do is just take your knife, give it a little tap, and then you twist. If they're ripe, you're not gonna have a problem taking the seed out. Now you wanna take any type of smasher you have. This actually is a special tool. It's an avocado smasher. It also comes where you can actually, peel the fruit out. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and give it a nice, good mash. Now we're gonna take 1 lemon and we're gonna go ahead and squeeze it into our avocado. And do not put the seeds. The lemon's gonna add flavor, but it's also gonna prevent the avocados from turning brown. So that's very important that you add enough lemon in there and mix it thoroughly, because you don't want the avocado to start, getting nasty looking. Nobody likes a brown guacamole. Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic. Now you can season with salt and pepper to taste. I usually put about a teaspoon, and then I'll add if it needs any more. Also a teaspoon of black pepper, and we'll just give everything a mix. Just like this. I would use this for tacos, because when I make tacos I build layers. I have other ingredients topping the taco and also my burritos. If you want a creamy guacamole, this is it. This is all you need. This goes great in burritos. It goes great on tacos. And it's very, very delicious. It's a good adding to whatever you're eating. If you're gonna be making a dip or you want a chunky guacamole, I like to add half of a purple onion, about a half of a cup of cilantro chops, and then also 2 Roma tomatoes. Now we're just gonna go ahead and just put everything in there. You just want to go ahead and just give everything a nice mix. You want to go ahead and marry all those flavors. If you let this sit in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes, the flavor comes out really, really good. And guacamole is literally that simple, folks. Now you want to just go ahead and taste it for seasoning. Gotta make sure you get a good test. Yep, 1 teaspoon is good on salt. Now all you gotta do is get you some chips, your favorite chips, and you got some perfect guacamole. You can use this for tacos, burritos, chips and dip, whatever you want to use this for, but this is a very, very good recipe. If you want the full printable recipe, I'll be leaving the link down in the video description. That way you can get it there. So what do you think about that recipe? Let me know down in the comment section what you think. And like I said, this is very, very easy. It's very versatile and you can do so much with it. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so I would see future videos just like this and many more. I have these other videos right here. They're very good and you should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.